we started a new video. First you put the mayonnaise on the bread. Then for a roast beef sandwich, you take the prepared horseradish and you dip a little thing in there and you put horseradish on each piece of bread. Okay? Nice chunky piece of horseradish on each piece.
What next?
Then you take the same knife and you take that horseradish and kind of put it all over the bread a little bit.
Okay.
And the mayo, get it spread out.
And like 52 seconds. 52 seconds. It's over.
Okay, so now we got that on 2 pieces, and now the last piece. We're just going to take it and spread out that horseradish. Horseradish is spicy, but on roast beef, it's really good on roast beef. Okay, and then the last thing, we put our cap back on. You always do that. Put our cap back on. And we take our mustard.
Okay.
French's. It has a seal. It's a brand new bottle. Because we used up all the French's mustard we had. And you mix it up good and shake it. And then you put French's mustard on there. And
then
last but not least, you take one more time and swickety swipe it across and get it mixed in with all that horseradish goodness. Because you want the mustard to be spicy. That's part of it. Now that's a spicy horseradish mustard.
What the?
These are the ingredients.
Last one.
Okay?
Got meat.
We got the meats. That's what Arby says.
I get over 1 minute.
Okay, here we go.
You filming the meat? Ooh, I like the way Daddy puts the meat on.
Yeah, I am. What? It's taking a long time, Dad.
And we're done with the meat.